Have you ever wondered how to start trading in the stock market? It's a question that has crossed the minds of many, especially with the intriguing stories of fortunes made and lost. Today, we're going to unravel this mystery and provide a step-by-step guide to help you navigate the exciting world of stock trading. First, we begin with the basics. What is stock trading? Simply put, it's buying and selling shares of a company with the aim of making a profit. These shares, or stocks, represent ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you're buying a piece of that company. The first step in starting to trade is educating yourself. Knowledge is power in the world of stock trading. Understand the basics of the stock market, learn about different types of stocks, and familiarize yourself with trading terminology. There's a wealth of information available in books, online courses, and webinars. The next step is setting a budget. Decide how much money you're willing to invest in the stock market. Remember, only invest money that you can afford to lose. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a long-term investment strategy that requires patience and discipline. Once you've got your budget, it's time to open a brokerage account. This is an account you'll use to buy and sell stocks. There are many online brokers available, each with their own fees and features. Take your time to research and choose a broker that fits your needs. After your account is set up, it's time to start researching stocks. Look for companies you believe in and understand. Check their financial health, recent news, and performance history. Next, it's time to place your first trade. You can choose to buy stocks at market price or set a limit order, which allows you to buy or sell a stock when it reaches a certain price. Once you've bought some stocks, you need to monitor your investment. Keep an eye on the performance of your stocks and the overall market. Be patient and avoid making hasty decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Finally, always have an exit strategy. Know when to sell your stocks. This could be when they reach a certain price or when you need the money for something else. In summary, starting to trade in the stock market involves educating yourself, setting a budget, opening a brokerage account, researching stocks, placing trades, monitoring your investment, and having an exit strategy. Remember, stock trading is not a guarantee of wealth, but a strategic game of patience and discipline. It's a journey of learning and growth, filled with both challenges and rewards. So are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? The world of stock trading awaits you.